This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Canva versus Photoshop. Canva is renowned for its intuitive, drag-and-drop interface, making it incredibly easy for beginners to create stunning designs quickly. Photoshop, on the other hand, offers a comprehensive suite of advanced tools for professional image manipulation. While it provides unparalleled control, its steeper learning curve means it requires more time to master. We'll explore which tool best suits different design needs. When it comes to features, Canva provides thousands of pre-designed templates, stock photos, and graphic elements, perfect for rapid content creation. Photoshop, however, is the undisputed champion for detailed photo retouching, complex graphic design, and intricate digital art. Its robust layering, masking, and advanced color correction capabilities are essential for achieving professional-grade results and precise control over every pixel. Understanding the target audience is key. Canva is ideal for social media managers, small business owners, and individuals who need to produce attractive visuals efficiently without extensive design training. Conversely, Photoshop is the industry standard for professional photographers, graphic designers, and digital artists who require powerful tools for high-end image editing and creative projects. Your specific goals will guide your choice. Regarding cost and accessibility, Canva offers a generous free tier with essential features, alongside a pro subscription for enhanced access. Photoshop is part of the Adobe Creative Cloud, typically costing around $22 per month for the photography plan, which includes Lightroom. Both platforms are primarily cloud-based, though Photoshop also boasts a powerful desktop application, offering flexibility in how you work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.